Welcome to Weekly View on Markets. Nifty lost 4.5% during this week on the back of global developments. Conflict in Israel, Hezbollah, and consequent Iran's attack on Israel have weighed down on the markets during this week. Central Bank of Japan is set to raise the interest rates. The Japanese index Nikkei lost around 10%, and all other global markets have also lost 5 to 10%. The correction may go on for a few more days. Investors need not panic. The correction provides an opportunity for buying good quality stocks at lower valuation. RBI policy meeting and second quarter results will start in another 1 week's time, and that will give a direction to the markets. Election results of Haryana and J&K are expected in this week. Staggered investing during correction is advisable. Let us look at performance of various indices. Nifty closed at 25,014. It lost about 1,164 points, that is 4.45%. Bank Nifty also lost 2,372 points, that is 4.41%, and closed at 51,462. Mid cap index lost about 1,906 points, that is 3.16%, closed at 58,474. Small cap index lost 483 points, that is 2.51%. It closed at 18,758. We can see there was overall outperformance in the small cap sector. India VIX has closed at 14.12. It has gone up by more than 18% during this week. Now let us look at sectoral performances. Metals was the only sector which remained in green. It gained about 0.48%. Realty sector lost the most, around 7.69%. Auto sector lost 6.1%. Energy sector lost about 5.53%. Infrastructure stocks lost about 5.53%. NBFCs lost about 5.16%. Private banks, oil and gas all lost more than 5%. Public sector companies, manufacturing, FMCG, commodities all lost more than 3%. Consumer durables, healthcare and media lost around 2.5 to 3%. There were most of the sectors have lost during this week, and only metal sector has gained. The advancing stocks were very few, and most of the stocks have declined. People have seen big losses in their portfolios during this week. Now let us look at technical charts. Nifty. Here we can see Nifty has fallen down almost for the week from the top level. Every day has lost in the trading session, and Nifty has a good support at around 25,000 levels. Nifty has good support at around 25,000 levels. If this support holds, we can see a bounce back from Nifty. Or if 25,000 breaks, then next support is at around 24,000 levels for the Nifty. This is a chart of Nifty mid cap index. Mid cap index has closed at around 57,700. That is the support level. We can expect some pullback in Nifty mid cap index from these levels. This is a chart of Nifty small cap index. The small cap index has given successive correction for past several days, and since already it had corrected in the previous week, this week we didn't see much correction in the small cap index. Now it is at support level of around 18,700. If Nifty comes to at around 18,500, that will be a good level for buying small cap stock. This is a chart of Bank Nifty index. Bank Nifty index also has seen huge corrections. Now it has closed at around support level of 51,400. If this support gets broken, then the next support is at around 51 to 51,500 levels. That will be a good level to buy Bank Nifty. Now let us look at some of the fundamental factors of the market. GST collections for the month of September has come at 1.73 lakh crores. It is up by around 6%. This is the first time that the GST collections on a year-on-year basis has seen the least growth of percent, that is less than 10%. Auto sales for the month of September have come. Most of the companies have recorded flat sales or negative sales. So auto sales is in a slow lane. So this may see a kind of dampening spirit on the automobile companies' shares. RBI reserves is at record high of 704.89 billion US dollars. It is up by 12.5 billion dollars during this week. This is a quite a good comfortable position for RBI. Foreign exchange reserve rate is at 83.97. Rupee has weakened and dollar index is at 102.49. Brent crude price has shot up to 78.09 due to rising crude prices and geopolitical tensions. RBI may not reduce interest rates during this MPC committee meeting. Gold price has hit a record high of 76,190 for 10 grams 24 carat. Whenever there is a war-like situation and some uncertainty in the global economy, the gold prices tends to go higher. We have seen the same thing happening this time also. FIIs have sold a record amount of 40,511 crore during this week, and the DIIs bought 33,074 crore during this week. Despite heavy buying by DIIs, the FII selling was much more, and the market has given correction. Market correction is due to the geopolitical developments. There is nothing much about Indian economy which this type of correction was warranted. Q2 results, that is quarterly to second quarter results, will start from 10th October. IT companies and big banks are expected to announce their results between 10th and 20th. Market correction is due to geopolitical developments. There is nothing much that warranted this type of correction in Indian economic scenario. Q2 results will start on 20th October 24. Many IT companies and big banks will announce their results between 10th and 20th. That is going to give the direction to the market. Good earnings can bring down the market valuation. So correction will give a good opportunity for buying. Investors are advised to remain invested, and mutual fund investors should continue their SIPs. This is all for this week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can refer to your friends. You can ask your questions. We will meet again next week. Thank you.